Good morning, Allstate. My name is John. I'm with Best Choice Roofing of Valdosta. We're here at 3909 Cutter Point in Valdosta at the McLeod residence. Y'all have awarded the McLeods 28 damaged shingles. I'm sitting here at the ridge where we have at least 2 damaged shingles. I believe there's another 2 over there. And just simply what I want to point out at the ridge, I don't really want to begin this repair attempt because as soon as I came in here and lifted this just a little bit, we had this tear in the ridge cap. You can see that these are torn. That is very brittle. If I'm going to repair this, the ridge caps will need to be replaced as well. I do believe this is a discontinued shingle. This, if I'm not mistaken, is a Timberline English cut. It measures 36 by 12 inches. The amount of granule loss that we're finding on this roof too is overwhelming. Simply trying to make my way up here, I feel like walking on the roof is causing damage. This is not a safe environment to do repairs. Guys, this is not a repairable roof. I'm not gonna begin with this repair attempt because I know I'm going to mess shingles up. I hope y'all consider this video and, help the McLeods. They desperately need a new roof. Thank you guys.